So here we are at a HipCamp in I think Belleview, Florida, or Belleview, Florida. It'll be the address and the location will be in the description. But there's a wonderful, beautiful HipCamp. It has a covered pole barn, and it fits 2 RVs. So there's a neighbor over there, pretty cool people. This facility here has a full hookup, water, electric, and a dump, a sewer, and the electric is a 50 amp, and very private. It's beautiful, tree lined. Got a nice little gate up here. Very affordable. I think it was like $60 for the night, full hookup. Can't beat that. We're on our way to Ocala. We're like maybe 28 minutes from like Silver Springs, which is where we're heading to tomorrow to do some ATV riding. So there's a good stop. And you can you can back in. Each section is private, so you can back in. You can go straight, however you want to get in there. And these people here, I think they've been here for a little while. The host told me they got their little pen set up for the dogs. It's definitely pet friendly, this facility. It's my hookup there. I rented a little U-Haul, turned it into got my Napier tent hooked up to it, and I have an air mattress in there. That's where my son's gonna sleep, and my daughter's gonna sleep on top of the pop top. And my wife and I and 2 dogs would be down below. But it's a quick little view from outside. Got all this land, all this property for your dogs to run around. We have our dogs tied up because they have dogs also, so don't want any issues. Come around and show my setup here. So, got my B-van here, Rolling Faith, Coachman Nova, pop top, all set up.
Oh my God.
Got my dogs. Some stranger over there, I don't know who that is. It's my Napier tent. See if I can open it up. Mike, open up your tent a little bit. This is my son's hookup here.
My little man cave over here, just for the night. Speaker, TV, chair, footrest, bag. We got a heater, bed, heater blanket, just in case, We get a little cold.
Here are the hookups. So you got 50 amp, and you got a couple 20s here too, so you can plug in. You got your water. You got your sewer, garbage can, and you got more outlets over there. There are a lot of ants here, so this part here has grass. This part here is very sandy. I did get a little stuck here, so maybe we might have to go that way. They have some wood under their tires. But it's doable. Comes with a picnic bench. Oh, and it has its own barbecue grill, but no propane, so you have to bring your own. So, but this is my setup. I'm all hooked up. I'm not hooked up to the silver because I just dumped before I came, so I'm pretty empty. And if I need to dump, I'll just go around in the morning. There's the other side. That's how I hooked up the tent to the U-Haul. The U-Haul here. So that was a 4x8 from U-Haul. 16 bucks a day. It's not bad. You need a little place for your kids to hang out. So I have another trailer coming in the future for Runaway that I'll be using. But this is my setup. Rolling Faith. Short inside. Got the boss is cooking. What's for dinner?
Hot dogs, beautiful grapes.
Hot dogs and grapes. It's good. And this is my daughter's setup. This is where she'll be sleeping tonight. Yep. Cool. So, gonna have a little campfire later. Maybe I'll add that. But pretty nice HipCamp. You guys agree? Huh? Bailey? Nugget? You all tied up there? You all tangled? Alrighty. Say bye. Here are a nice little fire pit. And fire can. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi, Nugget.
Hi, Nugget.
Bailey. Bailey, say hello.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hello, Bailey. A nice little fire right here in front of Rolling Faith. Rolling Faith is happy. Fire burning. Sitting on our little pole barn HipCamp spot. Cement pad, nice and quiet. Got our neighbors over there. And my son's in there glamping it, watching TV. Inside. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here we are in a HipCamp at night. Little fire pit going. Everybody enjoying themselves?
Yeah.
Enjoying yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Son is in his tent. Say bye, Bailey.